If you're happy and you know it, drink some wine. Clap your hands. Yeah. Ukulele wine time. Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Catherine. Today we're going to take a look at if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. We just need 3 chords for this: C, F, and G. Let's check it out. By the way, if you need a deeper dive on how to play those chords, check out this video. I go over where to put your fingers, how to play C, F, and G. So definitely check that out if you need a quick review before jumping into learning the song. If you're new here, this is Ukulele Wine Time. Welcome. I'm happy you're here, where we play beginner songs on the ukulele, and if you want, you can drink wine while you do it. This is a part of my Easy Kid Song series. I've put together this whole playlist of easy songs to play on the ukulele, just using C and G or C, F, and G. There's also a great printable book that goes out with it. I've got that linked below, so be sure to check that out. Really helpful if you're a visual person. I bold the lyrics, the words that line up with the chords, and you can put these all in a binder, have all the songs in one place. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how the chords line up with the lyrics. So we'll go through that slowly and then we'll play that together. We're gonna do a little bit of counting. I'm gonna show you how to level up your strumming. So we'll start super basic and then I'll give you some more variety if you wanna add more rhythm to your strumming. We'll talk starting pitch. So if you're singing it at home, you'll know where to start. And then we'll play the whole song together. First, we're gonna talk about which words line up with the chord. So first we're starting with the C chord on the word happy. And then when we get to the word hands, we're gonna switch to G. It's gonna sound like this. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. And then we stay on G for the next word, happy. And then on the word hands, we switch back to C. So it's kind of the opposite of what we just did. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. That's the first 2 lines of the song. Let's continue. On the next word, happy, we'll switch to our F chord. If you're happy and you know it. Here on the word face, we switch back to C. Then your face will surely show it. Surely show it. Surely. If you're happy, that next happy, we go back to G. And you know it. Sorry. Happy and you know it. Clap your hands. And back on hands, we're back at C, which is the key of the song, or our home base. Let's try that slowly together. And you'll notice I'm just doing a simple downstroke with my thumb to voice these chords or to play these chords. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So it's the same chords for all the following verses, goes through that same pattern. Now let's take a look at counting. So we're gonna find the heartbeat of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's kind of that pulse or the heartbeat of the music. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. 2, 3, 4. So you can count 4 along with the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to count and play the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3. Stay there. G, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. Here's to F. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the counting. It's our heartbeat of the music. That actually takes us into our next strumming pattern. So now that we're feeling that pulse, that heartbeat of the music, if you want to add more downstrokes in to match that counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's actually try it one time through the song, slowly with the lyrics, with our 4 downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. 2, 3. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay. If you're ready to level it up from there, we can try a very basic ukulele strumming pattern, and that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So try that with me a little bit just on a C chord. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So when we apply it to the song, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Each time we go to a new chord, or each group of 4 beats gets 1 time through that strumming pattern. We'll put this all together at the very end. We'll do the whole song. Before we do that, let's talk starting pitch. You know what? Let's pause for just a sec. I think it's time for a wine break. So cheers if you're learning this song with me today. I'm so psyched that you're here. And if you're like, why are you drinking wine? This is ukulele wine time, ukulele for beginners, and you are more than welcome to drink wine with me while we do it. So cheers. Also, if you're finding this video helpful and possibly delightful, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button below, or cheers the like button below. It really helps out my little channel. So thank you so much. Now let's talk starting pitch. Wait, hold on. Okay, now I'm ready. Let's talk starting pitch. So we are in the key of C. So C is our home base for our chord. And then we're also going to talk about the note C. Do, that's our 1, or our do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, do. And then we can also go do, ti, la, so. So that's our first note. If you're happy. Now our first note is a G. If you're happy. And on the word happy, we hit just our open C string. So that's the second string down from your face is our open C string. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, okay? And then if you want to find that G, so this is an open G string here, but your note is actually an octave below that. So instead of up here, it's down here. If you're happy and you know it. Okay, so hopefully that helps you find your starting pitch when you are playing and singing the song. Let's try the whole song together. I think you're ready. You got this. I'm going to do it 2 times through. We'll do 1. How about we do 1 clap your hands, and we'll do 1 stomp your feet. And then I will start with the basic down strokes, and then I will switch the second time through to our down, down, up. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. You did it! Great work. Okay, let me know how that goes. You can also, of course, slow it down if you need to, or if you're ready to speed it up. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, with a C, G, C. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed learning If You're Happy and You Know It with me today. Once again, cheers to you. I'm so happy that you're here. I will see you in the next video. Ukulele wine time.